Solutions of a partial differential equations by direct integration. Before I starting the presentation, I will introduce myself. I am Sonali Jangle, studying in BSc second year Adarsh College Hingoli. Today we will discuss how to find solution of a partial differential equations by direct integration. So these are the two problems we were discussing now. So consider the first problem. So we have to solve del square u by del x del t equal to e raised to minus t cos x. So in this case u is the dependent variable, x and t are the independent variable. So we can integrate this equation directly with respect to x and t. So first we will integrate equation number 1 partially with respect to x, then del u by del t is equal to, so when you are integrating with respect to x, we will consider t is a constant. So therefore this e raised to minus t into integration of cos x is sin x plus constant of integration, that is the function in the other variable. So in this case we integrate with respect to x, therefore constant of integration will be a function t. So now again integrate this equation number 2 with respect to x. So in this case after integrating this equation number 2 with respect to 2, u is equals to, now integration of e raised to minus t is minus e raised to minus t into sin x is constant, sin x plus integration of ft dt plus constant of integration, that is constant of integration is a function of other variable. So in this case it is g of x. Now in this case integral f of t dt will be a function, so we can use any other name to represent that one. So we can write u equal to minus e raised to minus t sin x plus h of t plus g of x. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. So since the differential equation is of second order, the solution contains two arbitrary functions, that is h of t and g of x. Now consider this second problem. Del square z by del x del y is equals to xy square. So here we have to solve this partial differential equation given del square z by del x del y is equals to xy square. So first I will integrate with respect to x. So I integrating with respect to x, I have to take y is constant. So integration of del square z by del x del y is a del z by del y is equal to xy square. Integration of x is x square by 2. So y square is a constant plus function of y. Now I will integrate with respect to y. We get z is equals to x square y cube by 6 plus function of y into dy plus function of x. So this is the required solution. Thanks for watching. Thank you.